Hi everyone. I have happy mail, so if you'd like to see what I got in the mail, then please by all means stay tuned. Hold on for a moment. Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. This is your first time checking out my channel. Welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So I received some happy mail from my YT bestie, none other than Jeanette over at DOY Creations and DOY Life. I have been working on some hats for those who are in need in my area, as well as some that I can give to others who are doing a similar thing in their area. And Jeanette got in contact with me and asked me if she could send me some things to help out. So this is the box that I have received, and I am looking forward to it. So let's take a look and see what's inside. First off, it is very beautifully packaged. And let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, Jeanette does beautiful work. And so I'm just going to share with you. This is just beautiful. All right, she made the most beautiful beanies. Look at that. All right. And here's another and another. And look at this with all this texture. This is a very beautiful yarn. And I don't know if this is Charisma or if this is Hometown, but it's very beautiful and has a nice weight to it. And another and another. All right. So very, very beautiful. And I just love it. So I want to say thank you so much to Jeanette. I so appreciate you and all that you do. This is going to go to such a good place. I know that the recipients are going to feel all the love that you put into each and every stitch. Thank you so much. All right. So now there are some other things in here, but I think they are for me. So let me see. Let me read first. Okay. Hold on. So I have a card. So let's see. Oh. Oh, you're so welcome, Jeanette, and God bless you too. You know, there are sometimes people that are placed in your life and you, for whatever reason, can't figure out like how you didn't know them before or whatever the case may be, but you can't imagine not knowing them. Jeanette is one of those people, and I am just so, so thankful. The front of the card says, this is one of those times when saying thank you doesn't seem like enough. And I feel the same way. So thank you so, so very much. Sending lots of love back to you and bountiful blessings your way always, my friend. Okay. All right. Okay. So now, in addition to that, she sent me some goodies. So I want to see what they are because I'm really excited. I am so excited. All right. Oh, awesome. Okay. So she sent me this beautiful diamond painting coaster kit. And I am going to work on this. Okay. Yes, I'm going to work on this and share it with you guys. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Yes, I do enjoy doing lots of different crafts. So I'm going to have fun with this. And a beautiful charm bracelet. Look at that. That is beautiful. Hold on. That's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So there there's a lock, a heart with a lock. There's a beautiful heart that's got gems on it and just lots of love. Okay. And I think it all is symbolized in lots of love. Thank you so much. It is beautiful, and I am going to wear this. All right. In addition to that, just a beautiful queen. How about that? Just beautiful. And this can go on a beautiful sweater of some kind. All right. And just beautiful. Thank you so much, my YT bestie. I'm sending love and hugs your way. And again, just blessings. So thank you so much. All right. So this is just awesome. I really do appreciate it. And once again, I can't imagine not knowing Jeanette. She's just a wonderful person inside and out. And yeah, we should show her some love. So if you don't know Jeanette and you have not met her yet, please go over to her channel, check her out, subscribe, give her videos a thumbs up. Watch her playlist. She has wonderful tutorials and patterns and things. So you definitely can be inspired. And she does live videos as well. And just a wonderful inspiration and a blessing to all. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next color in my advent calendar. Hold on for a moment. Okay, so I have the calendar here. Let's see if we can find number 2. Okay, so number 2 was all the way at the bottom. I have it here. Let's see the color. Okay, it is a beautiful kind of purple, bright purple pink color. Okay, all right, so I'm going to weigh it. All right, so it is about 10 grams. And I'm going to assume that it is probably about the same yardage as the other one. Okay, so let me wind it up. I'll be right back. I am back. So I have the yarn. It does feel about the same as the other one. And so I'm going to assume that it's probably about the same yardage. Okay. It doesn't feel too soft. It doesn't feel too rough either. So I think it will be okay. And it just feels like maybe a basic acrylic yarn. Okay. All right. So let's take it and let's put it in the pickle jar. All right. So now we have 2 colors. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So once again, thank you all so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me very kind comments. Again, I'm asking to see what you think I should do with these yarns. We're looking at the yardage, and right now I have um, close to 40 yards of yarn, and we can think of it as maybe a scrap yarn project for a category 3 weight yarn. So that's what we're looking for. What can we do with small skeins of yarn? Okay. All right. So thank you so much in advance. All right. What are you working on? Are you working on any projects right now? Something for the season, something for yourself, something for home decor? Let me know what you are doing. All right. So that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, continue to be crafty every day. Share your gifts, be inspiring, and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you again in one of my videos or one of yours. Bye bye now.